Hey, what's up, family? Have you ever wondered how do I choose which life insurance to get? Well, it depends. What are your goals, your needs, your wants, and your budget? All right. Liken it to this lemon cheesecake bar. All right. Now, my goal was to make a tasty treat that was healthy and vegan. All right. Now, I had to look at what I needed for the ingredients, what I wanted it to taste like, and my budget for the dessert. Now, as far as the ingredients are concerned, I had most of everything I needed in the house. It kind of reminds me of, what is that, Second Kings chapter 4, when Elisha asked the widow, he's like, what do you have in your house? But now I digress. But anyhow, the ingredients are simple. For the crust, I use walnuts, medjool dates, and vanilla extract. Now, for the filling or the icing, whichever way you want to call it, it consists of soaked raw cashews, medjool dates, oat milk, vanilla extract, squeezed lemon juice, and lemon zest. All right. Now, I got this recipe from Healthy Vegan Eating, and my girls helped me make it. Now, I put the link in the description. Now, my girls have eaten it. They liked it. My wife ate it. She liked it. She like, I'm ready to go get another piece. Now, it's my turn. Let's go ahead and taste it. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Ooh, that right there. Oh, that's something. That's something serious. Oh goodness. Now, I growing up, my mother had a tradition with my sisters where they would make Christmas cookies. Every Christmas, around that week before. Oh man, I would look forward to. I mean, even into adult years. Why she's still able to. They would do that. Oh my goodness, and they I always look forward to it. That surprisingly, that took me back to that time. Oh my goodness. Out. Woo-hoo-hoo. You heard the ingredients that are in it. So wow. Anyhow, now back to my original question. How do you choose which life insurance to purchase? Okay. Let's take a look at a few scenarios just to understand the process of deciding what you need and what best fits your goals, your situation, right? So let's say you're a young person in your 20s and you're married. Okay, you can be single or married, but let's say you're married. All right, you don't have anything to protect against the threat of dying, too soon, getting sick or injured, and that, it helping to pay for things. So you simply want to protect against these threats and pay for your mortgage so it can stay in your family. Whether it's your siblings or if you have children, your wife and children, going to them. All right. So, also, you don't have a huge budget. A great solution would be a term policy with living benefits. Now, with this solution, you can protect against like I said, you can protect against dying too soon, getting sick or injured to the point where you can't work. Plus, it can pay off your mortgage. Now, if you're married with no children, even if there isn't money left over to replace your income, your spouse, living in a paid off house would be immensely helpful. Okay, it would be a huge help. But trust me, your spouse would appreciate if the policy you get also provided for income, replace your income. Now, if you have kids, that's most definitely a non-negotiable. It must happen. Okay. Now, the best type of term life insurance to get that has living benefits is you need to make sure that it's convertible. What does that mean? Okay, think of a car. That's convertible. You can go from being a drop top, to having a top, right? You have it a roof. Okay, same deal here. It can go from being a term policy, and you can change it over to being a permanent policy. Now, of course, even with that, there are tiers, but you definitely want to be convertible. In another video, I can explain why that's so important, but I'm not gonna do that here. Let's move on to a second scenario. Okay, let's say you're in your 30 is a good age for this example. All right, now you want something that you can have for life, right? Now, term policy is going to stop at some point, right? That's why you want to get a convertible. But like I said, I'll go more into that in another video. You also want something that can grow cash in a very predictable way. All right, now, a simple solution for this is a whole life policy. It may not be the most exciting, in most cases in strategies, but you can count on it. All right, it has a guaranteed rate of return. So if this fits you, this could be your solution. All right. Third scenario, look at you're in your 30s or your 40s, and now you're thinking, well, okay, first you're in your 30s, 40s, you're married with children, and you're thinking, I want to protect my family against loss of income, either from death, illness, or injury, right? You also think, I have these little kids, I want to prepare for their education, beyond high school. Not only that, you're the type of person who believes that a good person leaves inheritance for the children's children. But, you can't forget to prepare for retirement. And you want to do all this in a way that doesn't get it eaten up in taxes. All right? A good solution for that can be an index universal life insurance policy. Right? It needs to be properly designed and funded. Now, it can protect against the threat of loss of income due to death, illness, or injury. It can also help you prepare for your children's education, leave a legacy, and be part of your retirement plan, all in a tax-free environment. Pretty cool and sexy, right? But I also have a bonus in there. All right. So let's say you wait to put these things in place. Now you do not qualify for any of the solutions that I spoke of, either because of health or age. All right. Let's say age, you're 82, 81, 82, so you can't take advantage of these solutions, or on the health side, just something where it's a certain type of illness where you just can't get these your health is just too bad that you can't get the other solutions. All right. But you need something, some type of coverage for when you die, right? All right. So now there is guaranteed final expense coverage. All right. It is not very sexy at all, but it can help prevent your family from having to start a GoFundMe just to bury you, and that's not even guaranteed. All right. A couple drawbacks are that one, you usually can only get up to $25,000 of coverage. So, leaving a legacy or replacing your income, that's not going to happen. All right. And also, okay, if you compare it to boxing, all right, in boxing, you can have someone who's pound for pound the hardest hitter, regardless of the weight class, right? So this right here, in this solution space, it'll be value for value more expensive. Okay. Yeah, for what you get, it's going to cost a lot more than you may want to pay. But it can be guaranteed. So I would strongly recommend that you make a move while you still have choices, and you talk to a financial professional that can assist you. Of course, you can contact me. My information is in the description. My email is loudslegacy22@gmail.com. My phone number is 330-319-0141. Okay, now I really and truly hope that this was helpful. Go ahead, like the video, share, and subscribe. Go ahead, leave a comment. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. As always, take control of your time, your finances, and your future. Hi, family. I'm out. Peace.